So here in Texas, I don't know if you can see, but my yard is an absolute massacre. Trees everywhere. Even the, it's like 22 degrees. There's like a light mist that's been falling. So even, I've slipped even on my gravel. There's like an ice covering on my gravel. It's hard to see. But, man, check out my driveway just, and this is after I've done a little bit of clearing, but just limbs. It's hard to see in the video. It's more dramatic in person. I apologize, but sheesh. Okay, here's the front of our yard. This is after I've already cut a little bit of stuff out, but it's, I mean, it's a little hard to appreciate over the video, but I mean, yeah, it's just, everything's frozen over. Every single leaf has a coating of ice on it. There's that one of my three kind of main trees in the front, just kind of broke almost in half. But, oh man, some limbs falling down everywhere. One time in Texas when you actually do need a 4x4. See this tree, I've already kind of cut up a little bit. That tree falling over. That tree. Driveway had some limbs on it that I already cleared out. But there's a big old limb there too. It's hard to see. It's hard to see in the video, but God takes care of us. We're out of propane actually, but we have a fireplace, so I'm out here cutting wood for the fireplace. Kind of fun. So with the propane basically out, and I don't have a ton of firewood, taking the downed trees and making firewood. Now enjoying the fruits of my labor. Got a good fire going. Geneva. And the girls are playing cards. Oh, kind of fun.
He does that.